Welcome to Infoveave. Here is a quick video on how to set up conditional expression in Infoboard. Conditional expressions are rules that enable the creation of dynamic data visualizations that influence the behavior and appearance of Infoboard widgets. To set up conditional expression, go to Insights menu and click Create Infoboard. Select a template from the list of templates organized by domain and functions. Assign a name and click Edit. For more details on Infoboard templates, watch the video on how to create Infoboards using design templates. Under Setup, click Configuration and click Configure Expressions. Next, click Add Expressions to set up conditional expression rules. Enter the conditional expression to unhide a button that triggers a workflow, and a green tick will indicate if the syntax is correct. Sum represents the function, average churn rate is the widget name, churn rate is the measure name, and 0.18 is the conditional value. Select the target widget, which is hidden on the Infoboard, and set its desktop visibility to on to make it visible when the condition is met. Next, under Options, select Action and click the Edit action. Select Execute Workflow. Click Save and preview the Infoboard. Select Account Tenure 4 to 5 years from the drop-down list, which satisfies the condition. As the condition is met, the Workflow Trigger button appears, allowing you to execute the workflow from the Infoboard. This enables actionable decisions from the Infoboard. Let us add another expression that changes color on a traffic light widget based on a condition. Enter the conditional expression, select the target widget, set the desktop visibility to on, and set up the action to display an alert signal on the Infoboard based on churn rate. Click Save and preview the Infoboard. Select Account Tenure 3 to 4 years from the drop-down list, which satisfies the condition. As the condition is met, the traffic widget light turns green. Conditional expression allows you to control widget visibility, customize titles and appearances, and set up actions to drive actionable insights. Thank you for watching.